Last time out, we put 585 cams in my 2022 Indian Chief. Got it started, but we still have to flash it. Being that I am a remote tuner for Lloydz Garage, I now have the equipment. Those are my old cams. I have the equipment to do it. I'm waiting on my tune request to go through so we can hook this up to the bike and get this thing flashed. Change of plans, folks. So I ended up having to take the ECU out. They wanted me to do it this way, so took the battery out, took the ECU out, got it plugged in to the tuning equipment here, power, and it's running to the laptop. And now, just waiting for them to connect. We're gonna be good. All right, so just worked with the tuner on that. My ECU has been flashed with a 585 and a 2-in-1 setup. So we're gonna start this thing for 2 minutes as requested, and then we're gonna take it around the block, a very light ride for about 2 minutes. Then we're gonna come back, cut it off, cut it back on, and then go for an actual ride on this thing and see what it does. I am low on gas. Alright, so far we have no engine lights, so that's good. So I just need to go get some gas and we're gonna go for a good rip on this thing. I took the bike on one of my favorite roads. I call this my proving grounds. This is a really nice back road. But to say that this ride went fully according to plan, I would be lying to you. But what you're hearing right now is actually the cylinder deactivation. The bike cuts off the rear spark when it gets to a certain temperature to help with the heat management. All you have to do is blip the throttle and the bike sounds normal again. But once I actually get on this thing and hit it, I realized that I forgot to bolt my tank down because I do so much work on this bike that I take stuff off, put stuff back on, but I didn't bolt the tank down. You're gonna see this happen. But between this and the audio, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna enjoy this, but I'm gonna have to redo this entire ride. Bro, I hit that thing so hard, my freaking tank, I don't have it bolted down. It slipped. My tank slid back. Oh my God. I should have fixed that before I started, but I've never hit this bike that hard and that happened. Holy crap. That has never happened. I did so much work on it. Brandon, this is why have never, ever had this freaking happen. As long as I've had this bike, I've never hit it so hard that my tank slipped off of the post. Okay, I'm gonna bolt that down when I get home. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh God, that is funny, dude. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa. I have not been on a 585 cammed bike since the 2019 GP. Holy freaking crap, y'all. Oh, whew. Yo, that's crazy. This is where my tank is not bolted down. I'm gonna bolt that down when I get back because it keeps sliding in my lap. Stop. I got my tank bolted down. We're gonna try to get this to go now. Oh my God. You know what's funny? I was trying not to slide off the back of the seat, and so it caused me to miss a gear. I don't have much meat left on this seat. I gotta get something that has a little bit of a bolster on it, because the seat on here, it ain't got nothing. Ripping now, guys. God, every time I hit it like that, I'm almost being lifted from the force of the torque of the bike, as you know, the wind's trying to pull me up off of the bike. And the bike is, yeah, it's really hard to stay on this thing, especially now with these cams, because when you hit it, that torque, it punches you so much harder now. And so, yeah, I think when I get a better seat, I'll be able to launch it like I want to. But right now, it's really hard to do that. I could do it from like maybe third, but just straight off into second, oh, dude, it punches. That is pretty. Yeah, a little too bright, but yeah, man, so there's not much in there to hold me in. So I kind of have to take what I can get right now. But the seat that I want is the seat that Nathan has, and that thing's like $500, but man, is it comfortable. But I do wonder, is it going to raise me up too much? But we'll just have to see. I hadn't actually ridden it with it on my bike, but anyway, pipes sound good, they chop, it's stable, and that's all that matters. So like I said, I did bolt my tank down and it rocks and rolls. So I think now I'm gonna enjoy this last little bit of road and we're gonna bring it on in, y'all. It's been a good day. It's been a real good day. Now that I got my tank bolted down, right? It is so smooth. This throttle response. My last tune was a little bit more on the edge, and now that I have this tune, it has the power and it dials that back a little bit, that throttle response, because if it's too much, I probably will get more wheel spin. So I am very happy with the balance that the throttle has in relation to the equipment in the engine. Still not quite summer, but it is spring, so I gotta be mindful of little critters and deer running out in front of me, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Because if not, if they do, I'm gonna have a bad time. But anyway, I'm finna enjoy this little bit of road, folks, and I'm gonna bring it on in. Woo! Alright. Yeah, yo, listen. Anything that ain't a 585, trash. Listen to me. Oh my god. This bike is freaking nuts. I need a better seat. I knew I needed one, but I really need one now. I can't hit it like I want to because I'm afraid I'm gonna slide off the back. Oh my goodness. This bike. This is a brand new bike, dude. Hey, yo, listen. 585 cams with the flash done in-house, baby. This thing freaking rips. And we don't have no engine codes. But I do have a TPMS light because my pressures are always low before I start the bike. So, yeah, man, that's it. That job is done. This bike has finally been upgraded. And it freaking rips. If you have any tuning questions, you can reach out to me at tuning@brandonbicasso.com, or you can go to my website, brandonbicasso.com, and check out what I have over there, or you can leave a comment down below. And if you have any questions about this setup, also leave a comment down below. But this thing rips. I love it. We're gonna get some more riding in with this thing. As always, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. I will catch you in the next one. This bike is so good. Peace.